One of the biggest motorcycle events of the year, the EICMA Motorcycle Show, has been cancelled for 2020. The 78th edition of the Motorcycle Show was scheduled between November 3rd to 8th, 2020 in the halls of Fiera Milano in Milan. However, the annual motorcycle show has been postponed to 2021 due to the coronavirus pandemic. Italy has been one of the worst affected countries by COVID-19, and the extended travel restrictions as well as social distancing protocols have made it difficult to host events that would warrant mass gatherings. The 78th edition of EICMA will now be held between November 9th to 14th, 2021. Gemopai Electric, a joint venture between Goreen E-Mobility and Opai Electric, has launched the Gemopai Miso, described as a mini electric scooter, and it is priced at 44,000 rupees. Pre-bookings for the Gemopai Miso electric scooter have started, and the scooter is being offered at a discount of 2,000 rupees till July 15, 2020. The Miso electric scooter comes with a claimed range of 75 kilometers on a single charge, and the battery is said to be rechargeable up to 90% in just 2 hours. The Miso is said to be locally manufactured, completely made in India, with the exception of the battery as the cells are imported. The mini electric scooter will be available across the company's 60 dealerships from July 2020, and Gemopai is offering a 3-year free service package for all Miso customers. The Miso doesn't require a driving license or RTO permit since it has a maximum speed limit of just 25 kilometers per hour. The 2021 Audi Q5 made its global debut today, and the car will begin getting into European markets soon. It will arrive, of course, in India by 2021. The biggest change and most noticeable is a new face and a new tailgate. The car's single frame grille is wider and bigger and finished in black. Some trims will see vertical slats finished in chrome, and the skid plate also being finished in silver instead of black. The Q5 now gets a new set of DRLs or daytime running lights. The headlamp cluster has been changed, therefore, and yes, while a full LED cluster is standard, the matrix LEDs can be ordered as an optional extra. Under the hood, the Q5 gets a 2-liter TFSI Quattro with 200 bhp and 350 Newton meters of torque, and the same engine with a 260 brake horsepower output. The second iteration makes 370 Newton meters of peak torque. Both have a 12-volt mild hybrid system with brake energy recuperation and are married to a 7-speed dual-clutch S-Tronic gearbox. The V6 goes into the SQ5 TFSI Quattro. The 3-liter engine makes 348 brake horsepower and 500 Newton meters and uses an 8-speed torque converter Tiptronic to channel all that torque to the wheels. All models and variants of the Q5 will be made in Mexico and shipped to the rest of the world. When launched, it will compete as always with the Volvo XC60, BMW X3, Lexus NX and the Mercedes-Benz GLC.
We've had 15 years of sheer leadership, bringing you the very best of the world of wheels. If you like the best, subscribe to our channel.